You identify what's yours, what's useful, and what's current, and you consciously let the rest go quiet. That practice, repeated, shifts your entire vibration back towards ease and coherence.
Okay, to really anchor this feeling and integrate the physiological calm we've been cultivating, let's transition into a short guided visualization, becoming the tuning fork.
So find a comfortable position again. If it feels right and it's safe, allow your eyes to close. Or just soften your gaze, looking down gently.
Bring your awareness back to the rhythm of your breath, noticing the quiet gathering on the inhale and the gentle release on the exhale. Letting go of any tension, any unnecessary holding.
Begin to imagine yourself standing or sitting in a calm, open space. Maybe it's a beautiful room filled with soft sunlight. Maybe it's a peaceful meadow under a clear sky. Whatever feels serene to you. The air here feels clear, maybe even a little golden, and very still.
Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs. And as you exhale slowly, fully, feel any residual tightness releasing from your shoulders, your jaw, your belly. Feel the background noise fading away completely.
Now, in your mind's eye, become aware of a subtle shimmer of energy right in front of you, or perhaps within you. It's like pure potential, pure sound waiting to happen. And you realize this energy is you. You are the tuning fork.
Feel yourself standing tall or sitting straight, your spine long, your heart open, and begin to sense or feel or imagine a single pure, clear note starting to vibrate gently from the center of your chest. You don't have to hear it, just feel its resonance. This is the sound, the feeling of your coherence.
Let this tone become steadier, smoother. Imagine it radiating outwards from you in gentle golden ripples. Smooth, even, clean waves of energy moving out into the space around you. No static, no distortion.
As this clear vibration continues, become aware of any little remaining specks of old energy, maybe tiny dust motes floating around you. These represent lingering thoughts, bits of old emotion, echoes of static.
Watch as your clear, steady vibration encounters these motes. See them simply dissolving, melting away into the clear golden light. They can't maintain their form in the presence of your coherence.
With each exhale, consciously release any remaining weight, old stories, anxieties, obligations from your body. Feel it leaving your shoulders, your stomach, your mind. Anything that doesn't match your clear, pure tone just falls away naturally.
Breathe slowly and deeply into this feeling. Sense your nervous system calming, syncing up with this peaceful rhythm. Feel the ease spreading through your entire being. Now, allow that clear, golden tone to expand beyond your physical body. Imagine it filling the room you're in or extending out into the meadow, smoothing out any remaining sharp edges of thought or worry in the space around you. Let the tone hum peacefully, affirming, you are already aligned. Just rest in this feeling for a few more breaths.
And now gently bring your focus back to the source of the vibration, that soft, warm, golden light at the very center of your chest. This is your anchor point, your clear signal, your core magnetism.
Feel that light pulsing gently, reminding your body, your cells, your entire system of this state of ease and coherence. Take one final deep anchoring breath in through your nose and release it slowly and completely through your mouth.
Begin to gently lower the volume of the golden tone now, letting it settle into a quiet, steady hum that you carry within you. Start to bring your awareness back to your physical body, the chair or floor beneath you, the sounds around you. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes.
Just take a moment to notice the feeling, that sense of inner quiet, the clear, still hum beneath the surface. That's your signal, clear and strong.